Hi, it's Steffi from Steffi's Beads and Baubles, and I was going to show you a long overdue video. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know I bought $150 worth of jewelry from a friend of mine, Jane, and not long after that I bought a bunch of other craft supplies from her. They were all things that were duplicates that she was going to put in a yard sale. She priced them, I paid what she wanted, and for everything I'm going to show you, in addition to a Monopoly game that was still wrapped, not NASCAR one. I think I paid $15 for it, or $10, I can't remember. I paid $164 for everything I'm going to show you in this video and the next video. And it's a lot of stuff. I felt she gave me a really good deal, and I gave her what she wanted for the things. On top of that, she just brought me this yesterday, or 2 days ago. We did the social distancing, but I had picked her up a couple things on my Best Buy card, and I had paid off the card long ago, and she'd been making me payments. Well, she had a few things she was selling, and she asked if we could do a trade, and so she gave me this crossover, and she says that dies will fit in it, and she gave me the stuff for the crossover along with instructions here for the crossover. So some of the things I bought from her will work with the crossover. But I was going to show you everything I picked up in this video. This is more paper crafting, not my normal thing, but something I'm very interested in. Now, I don't know what some of these things are. I will be learning, and when I do get them out and learn, I'll learn with you. This is from Memory Keepers. It's a punch board. It's an emoji punch board. I guess they're little emoji. It makes little emojis. So I guess it makes these little faces. I've got a lot of grandkids. This will be a lot of fun for them. And I don't remember what I paid for each individual, but it was a pretty good deal. Then this is for my Cricut. It's a scoring stylus, and I had bought the Cricut from her a while back that I have also not used. This year just has flown by, but this little Cricut stylus, still in the box. Now this is a, We Are Memory Keepers also, an envelope punch board. So I guess you use this to make your envelopes, which is something I've always wanted to do, so I'm kind of excited about this. And it's never been used, completely unopened. Then she sold me a ribbon stitching tool, which I thought looked really fun, where you can stitch ribbon through the fabric, and I have no clue how to use it. She'll show me how to use all this when we can get back together again. But ribbon stitching tool, also We Are Memory Keepers, and in the box, never opened. This is a rotate, let's see, a dial trimmer. It's a trimmer with 6-blade designs. I am not exactly sure what you do with it, to be honest with you. Oh, you do these edges. Okay. She told me at the time. I wasn't buying this stuff blind. You do these different edges with it. Which I have scissors that can do that too, but this seems that it would be a lot easier. And again, in the box, unopened. And then here's some paper for the emoji thing. Punch board. It's for the punch board. It looks like they break into little squares. So again, for the grandkids is why I got that. And here's a little tool. I don't remember what she said. It's some kind of crafting tool. She'll fill me in. I don't remember. If one of you knows, it's got a stylus kind of thing at the end, and it's got a little brush on this end. This was opened. Then she gave me, when I didn't give me, oh, she sold me this too. I don't remember what this is. It's some, I don't know. I'll have to ask her. At the time, she told me what it was, but now I have no clue on earth what it is. It's Martha Stewart, but I don't know what it does. If any of you know, maybe you can tell me, but she told me at the time, and she will absolutely show me how to use all this stuff once we can get together again. Now, I also bought a bunch of dies from her. And take the numbers off. We numbered these. She had these numbered. This is a cute little, like, kind of outlines something that you want to do. Like you can punch this out and put something over it. And I've always loved this kind of design. Then this is a really pretty, I'll show you the design and then show you the die. Again, these are Doris. Both of these were Doris or Doris. I don't know how to pronounce that. But it's got the pretty Christmas ornaments. Then here's one with the mittens. And it's also Doris, brand new in the package. This one's very pretty. And it's got a flower design. And it's all, I don't know if this is embossed. These are embossing stencils. Okay, these are embossers. These are not for cutting. These are embossers. Now, I've loved this design forever. If it was up to me, our kitchen would have this design on the backsplash. But my husband's not as big a fan. Oh, I ended up with 2 of those. Look at that. Well, I guess I'll be selling one because I got 2. A butterfly. I'll show you the design. It's hard to see the embosser. And then here's some more embossing ones. This one's gorgeous. I don't know if you can see it well, but it's really pretty. Let me see if I can put this whiteboard behind it so you can see it. Oh, it won't show up on that. Look at that. Oh well. Anyway, it's a very pretty kind of leafy. I don't know if you can see it. I'm hoping. And here's another one that's got butterflies and flowers. I just thought, what fun. And then this one has like a basket almost. And then it has, I don't know which way it goes. I guess this is the way it goes here. So it's got like flowers, roses up on the corner. And then this kind of basket weave. And then some more flowers down here. Pretty for a card. Then here's a window, which I thought was kind of fun. With curtains in it and just real pretty. And then this one is just a pretty floral. Real nice floral. This is a beautiful daisy, and I love daisies, so I really am particularly fond of this one. And I have them numbered. I forgot why. This is a Christmas scene. Okay. Little snowman, a tree. There's just all this little detail in here. Okay. And this is one she has edged. I don't know. Well, I guess she did a sample of it. That's really pretty. Crafter's Companion. Real pretty. Beautiful pattern. Now here's some that are still in the package. And these are all embossing. I believe I can use these with my Cricut, can't I? I think so. Because originally that's, I think, what I bought them for, to use with the Cricut. Here's Santa. I guess I could be showing you the corner on the new ones. There's a triple layer cake, like a wedding cake or something, and a heart. This is a frame, very pretty. Here's the picture, and then here's the actual frame, very detailed and pretty. This is another frame with a different pattern. You can see the pattern. And then this is the last one, and it's got some pretty butterflies and kind of a swirl on it. So these are all the things I got from her. So I figure I paid her $164 for all the crafting supplies I'm going to show you in all the videos, because this is just part of it. There's a lot of other stuff. And then I paid her, I believe I took $150 off what she owed me for the crossover. And oh, and she also sold me a laminator for $20. And I've always wanted one. I've always thought they'd be a lot of fun. She told me what she paid for them, and then this has a few of the small laminating pieces, but I will have to see what other things I need for it. But how fun. I've always wanted a laminator. So those are the things I'm going to show you in this first video. The next video is going to have some interesting stamps and paper supplies. And then I'm not sure if I'm going to do a third one or show the rest of the stuff with that video. But that's it for this one. A lot of fun stuff. Once I get organized, maybe we can experiment with some of this together. I still have not even turned on my Cricut yet. I'm dying to try it. I'm totally intimidated by it. I have never, ever used a Cricut or any kind of paper cutting machine. Now I have two, and this one says fabric and paper. So I'm very excited to get some dies and try that out. Don't have any dies. I'll have to ask her if she has any duplicate dies that she's selling. She might. So, I'll be back with another video next Friday, the other half of this lot on Friday, and in between then I should have another video. I'm hoping to do something fun for you between now and next Friday, but I'm trying to keep Friday for my I hate using the word haul because it's kind of become a bad word in the YouTube world, but basically what I bought from my friend. The other half will be next Friday, and I'll show you all the rest of it then. And like I said, in between I've got a few other things to show you. I've also got to start showing you the estate sale stuff that I've got to go through, and I probably won't do those on Fridays. I'll probably start doing those in between these videos. Maybe I'll do some on Fridays, but I want to get some other content out to you, but I also want to get some craft projects done too, and I'm trying to get my head around what I want to do. Oh, one other thing that I got from her is this lamp. I don't know if you can see this lamp here. This really nice crafting lamp. It's got a, this opens, I can't get it to open up now, but it opens up, and it's very old and sturdy and works great. I have it on right now, and I don't know if that's a magnifying glass. I think it might be. I don't know. But it's a really nice lamp, and I use it every day. And I think I paid her in that 164. I think this was like 20. So anyway, kind of a cool space age looking thing. So anyway, that's this lot, and I will be back with the rest of it next Friday, and between now and then I hope to have some other stuff for you. So I hope you'll give me a thumbs up, and I hope that you will subscribe if you're not subscribed, and I will be back soon. Bye.